In this video, I'm sharing a very sweet and very magical unicorn cake. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. This cake begins with layers of my incredibly moist coconut cake, which you can find in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei, Step by Step, on Amazon. The link is in the video and below for you. A strawberry jam is warmed up and spread over each layer. Coconut cream cheese filling is next. This is a buttercream dam to hold in the fresh strawberries. Repeat the layering. The cake is then crumb coated with my favorite IMBC. If you would like a complimentary download of my top 5 buttercream recipes, go to Wedding Cakes For You website and click the little red book on the right side of the page. The finishing coat is also Italian meringue buttercream. This icing tip is very helpful for frosting the sides of a cake. This horn is made with white chocolate modeling paste, also called candy clay. It's much nicer to work with than fondant when making a horn and ears for a unicorn cake. I didn't capture the making of this, but it's the same process as this one here, which is made using fondant. Take 2 logs, wider at one end, and twist them together until you form a horn. You can either twist them around a dowel, or you can push a skewer into the finished horn. The ears are simply cutouts and then folded to give them a 3D look. Gold dust was used for the inner ears. For the horn, mix together gold dust with a few drops of extract or vodka. This works beautifully over the white chocolate. Enjoy the rest of the decorating, and if you have any questions about what you see in this video, you can ask me in the comments box below. Wedding Cakes For You website, books, and video provide aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherished memories. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.